If you want to apply the same format to multiple shapes in PowerPoint quickly and keep your slide looking clean and consistent, this simple trick is going to save you a ton of time. Instead of formatting every shape one by one, you can copy the exact style from one shape and apply it to as many others as you want in just a few clicks. This is perfect for making professional presentations faster, easier, and a lot more polished. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go to the slide that contains the shape you've already formatted the way you want it. Click once to select that shape. Make sure you select the actual shape because this is the one PowerPoint is going to use as the source for the formatting. It could be a filled shape, a shape with a border, a custom color, a shadow, or any other style changes you want to copy. Once the shape is selected, look up to the Home tab in the ribbon. In the Clipboard section, find Format Painter. Here's the important part. Instead of clicking it once, double tap Format Painter. Double tapping it keeps the tool active, which means you can apply the same formatting to multiple shapes without having to keep going back and reselecting the source shape every time. After that, click on each of the other shapes you want to update. As you click them one by one, PowerPoint will instantly copy the formatting from your original shape onto each selected shape. You'll see the same style applied right away, which makes everything match perfectly. If you have a lot of shapes on the slide, just keep clicking through them until everyone has the same look. When you're finished, press the Escape key or click Format Painter again to turn it off. That's it. Now all of your shapes share the same style, and your slide looks much more consistent and professional. This is one of those simple PowerPoint features that can make a huge difference when you're building presentations quickly. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next PowerPoint shortcut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.